Hello and welcome to this new Nalios tutorial on duplicate bank transactions. So first of all, why could you have duplicates in your bank transactions? There can be several reasons for this. The first one is simply because of a human error. Okay, this can happen. And the second explanation is, let's imagine you have the bank synchronization activated on your database. A bug could have happened, causing the same transactions to appear multiple times. So I suggest we explore the functionality that Odoo developed to help you find those duplicates and rectify the situation. So the first thing you have to do is to open the accounting app, of course, and we are going to go to our bank journal, which is right here in our case, and then we're going to open the transactions. So how can you find duplicates from here? You click on the Actions button, and here you've got the Find Duplicate Transactions. Odoo is going to display the different transactions that have been identified and that are similar based on which criteria, based on their amount, the date, the account number, or if the bank sync is activated, if you have the same transaction ID several times. What else can you see on the screen? You've got the starting date. So in this case, Odoo displays bank transaction duplicates from the 15th of January. But of course, if I want to see all duplicates starting on the 1st of December 2025, for instance, I can select this, and I have all the transactions starting from December 2025. Now, how can I make sure I correct this situation? Simply by selecting the bank transaction that I want to remove. So I'll select this one, for instance, and you click on Delete Selected. Odoo asks you if you are sure that you want to delete your selection. I'll push OK. And now if you go back to the bank synchronization view, you can see that I only have one line left for my last year interest on the 15th of January. And if I open the duplicate transaction view again, you can see that my lines on of the 15th of January with my last year interest is gone. So that's how you can do this in Odoo. I hope this helped. If you have any questions or any comment, do not hesitate to share them. We'll be very happy to answer. And I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.